Hello everyone, are you ready to draw and paint a little lion? This little lion cub, as you can see, is very symmetrical, starting with the center line and dividing the page into three sections. We're going to develop the main features of this little cub, drawing lightly with pencil. Follow along for a roaring good time. Since this little lion cub is actually a cartoon character, we're going to make the body like way smaller, not only to fit on the page, but in cartoon style. The bodies are very much disproportionate or much smaller than the larger heads of some of the cartoon characters. So that's what we're going with here. In the following segments, we're going to add the ears and the very important mane on this little cub to give it that lion look. And then we'll eventually start with outlining with a brownish marker and continue with the color in the next couple of segments. Well, looky here. We've got ourselves a blue-eyed lion cub. Light blue out there, and then we're going to go in some darker blue and then maybe some black on the pupils and leave some highlighting on each of the eyes to give it a more cute, realistic look. Notice I'm using the same sort of maroon colored pencil for the interior of the lion's mouth, and then also using it to outline the tongue inside the mouth and create a little shading, all with the same color. So here we go, applying some watercolor. First sort of a light yellowish tan for most of the lion's head, and then we're going to go back on the mane and change up that color just a little bit so you've got a couple of contrasting browns and tans on the head of this character. While we're putting the finishing touches on this guy, I want to remind you that you can like and subscribe. Please subscribe to Damon Reinigle on YouTube and hit the notification button as well. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Tell all your friends. Rawr. Wow, I almost forgot. You need to add a little bit of black to the pupils to make him stand out, and then do a little bit black outlining and add a little texture to his mane as well. And this makes this character look a lot more convincing as a cartoon lion. So tell your parents to go to DamonReinigal.com to check out all my fine art work.